Hello, my name is Brian Taylor Murphy, and this is my pronunciation video. First word, EOMI means extraocular movement intact. Extraocular movement intact concerns the eyes. CAD means coronary artery disease. CAD runs in my family. PND means paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. Josh underwent a sleep test trial with the university. They discovered he has PND. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. I had an MRI done a few months ago on my shins. TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. The doctor prescribed a TSH to begin his treatment. Bradycardia, slowness of the heart rate, usually fewer than 60 beats per minute in an adult human. Bob went to the hospital with complaints of lightheadedness. When examined, it was discovered he was suffering from bradycardia. Trichomoniasis, inflammation of the vagina characterized by a frothy discharge caused by an infection with parasitic protozoa. She went to her gynecologist to find out why her vagina was inflamed. He conducted several tests and concluded she had trichomoniasis. Pyrogenic, producing or produced by fever. The infection is pyrogenic. Syndactylism, a congenital anomaly in humans characterized by two or more fused fingers or toes. His two middle toes are fused together. This is known as syndactylism. Cholangiogram, an X-ray film of the bile ducts produced after injection of a radiopaque contrast medium. I had a cholangiogram performed today at the doctor's office. Transillumination, a form of medical examination in which a strong light is cast through the body or a body part so that blockages, foreign objects, etc. can be seen. Do you know anyone who has had a transillumination performed? Mammography, X-ray examination of the breast for detection of tumors. In a few years, I will need to start receiving mammographies. Catheterization, the operation of introducing a catheter into the body. Joanne said the process of catheterization was painless, partly because she was completely numb to what was being placed. Heterogeneous, consisting of elements that are not of the same kind of nature. The newspaper article stated the man had a heterogeneous bone transplant. Septicemia, blood poisoning or systematic disease caused by pathogenic organisms or their toxins in the bloodstream. It is quite possible that she will die due to septicemia without a blood transfusion. Aberrant, behaving in an abnormal or untypical way. Dr. James is acting aberrant. Poliomyelitis, an acute infection disease of motor nerves of the spinal cord and stem, caused by a poliovirus and sometimes resulting in muscular atrophy and skeletal deformity. My grandmother Sally contracted poliomyelitis as a child. Luckily, she didn't suffer from any skeletal deformity. Osteoporosis, porosity and brittleness of the bones due to loss of calcium from the bone matrix. Osteoporosis is not just a disease for the old. It can be seen in young or middle-aged adults who do not obtain enough calcium in their diet. Hydrocephalus literally means water on the head. Accumulation of cerebrospinal fluid within the ventricles of the brain because its normal outlet has been blocked by congenital malformation or disease. Baby Jillian was diagnosed with hydrocephalus at birth. Her parents state that her doctors are waiting for the right time to operate to drain the fluid. Amniocentesis, procedure in which a needle is inserted through the abdomen of a pregnant woman into her uterus to withdraw amniotic fluid to detect for signs of disease or other problems afflicting the fetus. Dr. Phil recommended that Janet undergo an amniocentesis partly because she's over the age of 35. Thank you.